We're on the new Hafod Lon School, we are, in Penrhyndeudraeth. We're a local company based in Carnarvon. We're Celtic Heritage, we are. We've had 10 members of staff on this site since we started off. 2 new ones and 1 apprentice as well. So in total, we've had 13.
I'm Martin Roberts. I'm from a company called AR, or Air Cymru, based in Penrhyndeudraeth. We've been here since the beginning of December, as well as our core workforce of 10 that we have on the site. We're employing an extra 5 subcontractors. They're all local. I have 1 apprentice on site as well, who's local, and there is 1 more lad who's going to be doing work experience with us in about 3 weeks' time.
As a council, we are doing as much as possible to ensure that Gwyned's businesses can benefit from high-level contracts with the council. Whilst rules prohibit the council from insisting Gwynedd businesses are given the contracts, we can do things like put clauses in to make it easier for businesses to possibly become subcontractors.
So fantastic for us as a company, and the men as well. They enjoy being local and short travelling. Fantastic.
Yeah, it's very good to have a close, large contract like this, very close to home. The lads appreciate it most probably, so they don't have to travel that far. But yeah, definitely.
It's nice to see that many local companies working on these substantial projects, like Ysgol Hafod Lon Newydd in Penrhyndeudraeth, which is now worth over £11 million.